Designing and creating a game is one of the best ways to learn. So many parts and pieces go into a game that most people don't realize. By going through the design process, a student develops communication skills, empathy, and project management. Students will get a chance to express their creative side while making models, animations, and artwork. More analytical students can use C# programming and game development for Oculus Rift with Unity, and learn the best practices for designing experiences in virtual reality. They'll learn the best techniques to create fun and engaging content for other players.